Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to remove white border around an image. Example, I already removed this background, then remove white border, hold control, select the image, then click a layer mask and click filter tab, others, minimum. Now see this radius down or up arrow key, then result it. Now see this remove white border and another way click the image and effects stroke and tick mark this stroke, then remove automatically white border. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.